Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a blazer collar. First, identify if your collar is rolling or creasing. Next, gather your tools, an iron, a spray bottle with water, and a pressing cloth. Lay your blazer flat on an ironing board, ensuring the collar is smooth and accessible. This preparation is key for an effective repair. Now, let's get to ironing. Set your iron to a medium heat, suitable for most blazer fabrics. Lightly dampen the collar with water from your spray bottle. This helps relax the fibers. Place the pressing cloth over the collar, then press from the underside, moving the iron from the outer edges towards the center. This technique helps flatten and reshape the collar effectively. For stubborn collars, a little fabric starch can work wonders, providing extra crispness. If your blazer has a curved collar, use a tailor's ham or even a tightly rolled towel underneath to help shape it while pressing. Remember, patience is key. Always allow the collar to cool completely and set before you put on the blazer, ensuring the shape holds. To keep your blazer collar looking sharp, always store your blazers on wide, padded hangers. This prevents creasing and helps maintain their natural shape. Also, address any minor stains promptly with a spot clean to avoid permanent damage. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keeping your blazer in top condition is simple with these tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.